This is me. This is the cabin I'm staying at. There's lots of stuff. And there's the TV, which is playing a show that I don't even know. There's a computer. That grandma bought. Wait. There's a chair. And let's go over here. You don't see, huh? Well, you don't see that every day. And look, there's steps. Let's go see where they lead. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4, 5 step, 6 step, 7 step, more. 1 more step. Okay, we're up. This is the upstairs. There's the bed. There's the bathroom. See it? There's just a door. That's a little sign on the door. Let's go downstairs. Let's go back downstairs. Okay, here we go. Okay, that was our cabin. Bye, Dad.
Okay, let me see my phone.